Baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is.
Don't open your mouth, you spoke good to me. I'm built like him, fucking with a G.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a silk press. This is my version. I am by no means a hairstylist, so please keep that in mind. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. And I also detangled it. I will be using Olaplex for my heat protectant because it is a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. So I love using this brand. I'm debating on even doing it because the curls were eating, y'all. I have no product in and they don't look bad if I'm being honest. I start by parting my hair down the middle. Instead of like starting from the back and going in rows like people normally do, I like to part down the middle and do each side first so I can, get a better view of my hair. I will be using the Revlon heat tool. I don't remember the name exactly, but I will put it in the description box. I love this tool for blow drying my hair because I feel like it gets every little piece. Like using a regular blow dryer, I feel like I never get my roots and I never get the hair as straight as it can be. And my hair will turn out poofy when using a blow dryer, but I found using this tool that it actually makes my hair silkier and straighter because it's already getting as straight as possible, if that makes sense, in the blow drying process. So I go through each strand a few times using this until, again, it's straight as possible. Throughout the blow drying process, you may see me apply more heat protectant only because I recently got my hair done. I got highlights added and it is drier than usual. So using more heat protectant is going to keep it from getting more damaged because, of course, when you bleach your hair, like some of my curls aren't where they should be, but we're working on getting that back right. Yeah, I will let you guys watch this blow drying process and then I'll come back once it's time to flat iron.
Nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on me, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Brush it off when you tie me off, you know all this long. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Stay without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me.
Okay, I'm back, y'all. Growing up, every time my hair was blow dried, my dad would say I look like Diana Ross, and that's exactly what it's giving. But now it's time to tame that. I'm going to go in with my Croc flat iron on 410. I love this flat iron. This is such a good flat iron, you guys. Like, I'm not joking. Get you one of these. I barely have subscribers, y'all. I would not lie. This is these tools I use are really good. Anyways, I'm going to do the same thing as blow drying. I'm going to part it down the middle and I'm going to flat iron each side just so I get a better view of my hair. Also, what we're not going to do is talk about my ends because they are so scary. I gave myself a cut a few months ago and it was honestly so choppy, and I'm going to wait until I get my hair done next month because I am on a blonde journey. I have more sessions to get fully blonde, but also subscribe if you want to stay tuned with that because I'm so excited. I'm just yapping, but what was I even saying? Anyways, y'all, clearly I'm getting distracted, but basically I'm going to be working in small sections, flat ironing each piece thoroughly. I'm also right now I'm about to get in the back of my hair, like the little small hairs, and I do end up going around my edges too. But yeah, there's really nothing to it. We're just flat ironing at this point. So I'm going to turn the music back on and I will come back whenever we are done.
Don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it real good. Your nigga call us text. Baby, don't be mad, you look how great it is. Your nigga call us text. Baby, don't be mad, you look how great it is.
Observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it as soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your beauty's do it all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You're just a fan. You don't hold ring. No, 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 no. Don't hold no ring. Yeah. Good against villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga, ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. But you wanna fuck me now. But you wanna love me down. Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you own me something. Push it on the pussy like a button, keep on time, still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's tough. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Peace, that's South Beach. Down the club into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she see my heat. She said, but I live in the hills. Search
like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No. Don't hold no right. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my poopy straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my poopy straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my poopy straight. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my poopy straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my poopy straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my poopy straight.
This is good for the soul.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you knew what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you knew what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you knew what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You knew what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You knew what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my well. Rolling stone. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just these slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Not I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming for rider. It's that roll myself a count my figures. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face in action. These days no quiet. Last might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I get you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I get you.
This is good for the soul.
Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden.
Blowing my up right now. Stood down, niggas dying every day. But what can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to think how they think and do what they say. Care who I am. And how this goes. Did I forget who I am? And how this goes. Blowing my up right now. Stood down.
These are the results. Is she giving? Y'all have to let me know the thoughts in the comments. What are we thinking? I think straight hair, me, is eating. I feel so grown and sexy when my hair is straight. Like, I don't know who she is. I really don't. But I will make sure to link all of the products I use in the description. All of the hot tools I use in the description will be linked. Definitely like this video if you enjoyed watching and subscribe to my channel. My goal next year is to be more consistent on this page, so hopefully I follow through and you guys will see more of me. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next video.